Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play EA Sports Cricket 2007 in Macbook, only way. First, confirm you have a legal PC installer and download a lightweight Windows emulator like Wine or a VM tool. Create a dedicated folder and grant install permissions. Check that your Mac has at least 20 GB free and enable virtualization if using a VM. Close other apps to avoid conflicts, and keep your installer and emulator updated to the latest stable builds. Set up the emulator next by creating a clean Windows environment inside Wine or your VM. Choose a 32-bit prefix if the Cricket 2007 installer is 32-bit, and allocate enough CPU and RAM for smooth play. Inside the emulator, run the installer for DirectX and Visual C++, redisks to satisfy game dependencies. Use shared folders between Mac OS and the VM to transfer the game installer and any patches you need for correct operation. Now install Cricket 2007 inside the emulator and follow the installer prompts exactly as on Windows. If the game shows graphical glitches or wrong controls, seek lightweight community patches or adjust DirectX settings inside the emulator. Map keyboard and gamepad controls to Mac OS inputs and lower resolution or texture settings if performance drops. Test a quick match to confirm sound, controls, and save functionality are working before you invest more time in custom settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.